If you think the AI race is just OpenAI versus Google, you're completely missing the real war. While Silicon Valley is hyper-fixated on building expensive, locked-down, closed ecosystems, a massive flanking maneuver is happening on the other side of the world. China is absolutely flooding the market with powerful AI models. Not because they're automatically smarter than GPT-4, but because they figured out something critical. Distribution beats exclusivity. In tech history, the prettiest tech doesn't always win. The tech that scales fastest and drops costs to zero wins. Here are the 6 powerhouses secretly changing the game. First up, DeepSeek. Forget the social media hype about it destroying OpenAI. What it actually did was way more radical. It shattered the economic illusions of AI. DeepSeek proved you can build highly competitive reasoning models at a fraction of Western operating costs. When input tokens cost pennies per million, massive AI agent armies suddenly become commercially viable. Then there's Qwen, by Alibaba. Dismissing Alibaba as just Chinese Amazon is a fatal mistake. They run the cloud infrastructure of Asia. Qwen isn't a side project, it's an infrastructure strategy. They are dropping powerhouse, open-weight coding and agent models for free, effectively giving away the engine so every developer builds inside their ecosystem. Next is Tencent's Hunyuan. The moment OpenAI revealed Sora, Tencent didn't wait. They immediately dropped Hunyuan Video. It's now competing directly in the top tier of video generation. Why does video matter? Because consumer demand in entertainment, gaming and advertising is a multi-billion-dollar black hole, and Tencent is positioning itself right at the center of it. But it's not just flashy videos. Look at GLM by Zhipu AI. Mainstream media completely ignores them, but serious tech researchers know them well. They are quietly dominating the true goldmine of AI, enterprise deployment. Because let's face it, the real money isn't in writing college essays, it's in corporate workflows. Which brings us to Kimi, by Moonshot AI. While most people use AI like a basic chatbot, Kimi was built for the heavy lifters: legal analysis, medical research, and knowledge management. It mastered massive context windows and large-scale document reasoning before almost anyone else. And, finally, the heavy hitter, Doubao, by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. Doubao just crossed a staggering 345 million monthly active users. ByteDance didn't wait for people to discover AI. They used their world-class recommendation algorithms to push AI directly into the daily habits of hundreds of millions of people. They understand attention and distribution better than anyone on Earth. Look at technology history. Windows didn't beat Mac because it was more elegant. It won because it achieved unstoppable distribution. Android did the exact same thing to iOS using open source. The US still leads in raw frontier research and advanced chips, but China is winning the battlefield of low-cost distribution and mass deployment. The AI that changes the world won't just be the one that passes the hardest test.
It'll be the one that is too cheap and too accessible not to use. Hit subscribe to actually see where the tech world is heading. What do you think? Does open source win? Let me know below.